Hi, today I'm going to give you a little video of how to apply TruShine gel enamel over Jamberry nail wraps. I'm going to talk to you a little bit while I do it just so you can see how quickly the process goes. Just going to do a few fingers for you. I have my base coat first. That's the first thing that we want to put over top of our wraps. These are freshly applied wraps. So I'm just going to do very thin coats. As you can see, I'm scraping off most of the TruShine off. You always want to have your base coat directly on the wrap. The base and the top always have to be together in order for them to cure properly. So this is my base coat. I need to scrape a little bit more off. I'm just doing a very, very thin layer on these wraps. I have my box here. It's propped up a little so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to do my 4 fingers to start with, because what you want to do, now I'm going to go ahead and cap the tips. That means just rub a little bit of the base coat along the tips of the nails. You want to do 4 fingers, cure, and then 4 fingers, cure, and then 2 thumbs. So I have my base coat on here. This is our TruShine lamp. It's only a 45-second cure time. So it's timed. I just put my fingers in, press the button, and then it'll turn off when the 45 seconds are up. The reason that I do gel over top of my wraps is just to give myself a little bit more stability to my nails. It makes them stronger. It gives that extra high gloss shine over top of the wraps, and then it just makes it just pretty and gives more wear. It gives more durability to my wraps. I normally get about a week to 10 days out of my wraps, and with TruShine I can get 12 days to 2 weeks. The difference with our TruShine, or our gel, versus other gels is did you see how quick that was? That was 45 seconds. That's an LED lamp versus UV. Next, I'm going to do my top coat. Same thing, very thin layers. The LED lamp is safer than the UV. It emits less harmful UV rays. So I'm scraping most of it off. I'm just going to do another very thin coat directly on top. The base coat I did. Capping my tips as I go. I'm going to get all the way to the sides. I have found that a TruShine gel overlay over top of my wraps, because my nails are very curved, helps keep me from getting any little bubbles or lifting that I used to get, several days into the wraps. It keeps my tips looking cleaner and nicer. And okay, there we go. There's my top coat. Close that back up. I'm going to get my lamp again. The nice thing is when you wear the TruShine over top of wraps as opposed to directly on your nails, you don't need to use the remover pockets to remove the wraps. You can remove them the exact same way that you would otherwise. You're just going to break the seal around the edges with your thumbnail and then use your wrap and lacquer remover, and then that just kind of, because the gel is not directly on the wrap, not directly on the nail, it's on the wrap so that your nail is protected. So this one's almost done. Couple more seconds and then I'll show you the last step. Now I would do my other hand and my thumbs as well. So the last step with that is I'm going to use my alcohol prep wipe. Open that up. Gel always has a sticky residue on the top after you finish it. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe each one of my nails. Just very quickly. That gets off that sticky residue, And then I have beautifully shiny, nice TruShined wraps.